Hey YouTube, what's up guys and today I am unboxing the Blue Snowball USB microphone. I just picked this up. I picked it up a few days ago. It's on Amazon right now, 4.5 stars for $69, 70 bucks. Some places you get it on sale. You can get it a little cheaper. I paid about $50. It was on sale for around $59. So like everything else on this channel, when I review it, if I check it out, if I unbox it, I will leave it down below in the description for you. So here we go guys, the Snowball, the Blue Snowball Classic Studio microphone. Here on the side here you can see a perfect sound, dual CD quality microphone for superior sound. USB cable at the back here, multiple mic patterns, so you have mics all at the back and at the front. There's a cheaper version of this that you can get with just the mic at the front. I think it's called the Blue Ice or something like that. At the back here, we have ideal for quality recording, instrument, podcast, and more. Dual mic, like I said, back and front, so that's really good. 3 audio patterns, so there's an area at the back that you can switch for different modes on there. Work with Mac or PC, and inside is included adjustable mic stand and guide. So let's go ahead and open this up. Go. Oh, it rolls like a ball. So here we go guys, that's what comes in the box. Your manual, the microphone itself right here. Oh, it's pretty nice and heavy, pretty nice. So you have the 3 modes at the back here for different recording. So here you have your cord. It look like a 4-foot cord, a 5-foot cord probably. It look like a 4 to 5-foot cord. Here's your mic stand. You can open it up. So you can adjust the mic to the different heights and just put it in place. Just screw your mic in here. Oh, pretty nice, pretty nice. So at the back here you can see they have 3 different positions. So position 1, like it is right now, is for speech and vocal and podcasting. The second position, when you go to the second position here, that is for live music, loud sound source here. And the third position is for conference room interviews, when you're in a large area or large environment and you're trying to do a recording. Like I said, there's a mic all at the back here. Your mic, so the mic is all around. I'm gonna plug this into my computer. So the mic is plugged into the computer and it immediately came on and the computer recognized it. Do a quick voiceover and let me see. So right now we're on mode 1, position 1. So right now we're in position 1, which is for vocals and podcasts. So that's what we are recording right now. And we're gonna change and see. We're gonna go to mode 2, which is for live music and loud sound source. That's what we're recording right now. I'm recording over a drone flight right now, and we're gonna go to number 3, and number 3 will activate the conference, interviews, and environmental recordings. So that's what we're doing right now. So we are flying right now. This is a drone over my house. I'm down there with my kids, and we're gonna bring it back to number 1. Okay, so right now you can see a car coming down the street. Right now it's passing us by, and so that's basically what I would be doing with this mic. I like it on mode 1, so I'm gonna keep it on mode 1. I'm gonna bring this down. This is gonna be a really good. So this is really good. I'm really liking this. All right, this is it. Like everything I look at on this channel is gonna be down below in the description. Check it out. This is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I'm out.